Welcome to Groundzero, where data challenges turn into opportunities. In many organizations, data lives across different systems. This fragmentation often creates a major hurdle when you need a single, unified view for analysis. Groundzero makes this effortless. We securely connect to multiple data sources, bring everything together into a single dataset, and convert that unified view into insights instantly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up connections, build a transformation workflow, apply filters, and visualize the results. Let's begin by configuring our connections to multiple data sources. First, let's create a new connection to Amazon S3. We'll select the S3 connector and give in the credentials and click on Test Connection. Once the test is successful, I'll save the connection. Next, I'll set up a Snowflake connection. I'm choosing Snowflake from the list, configuring the database, schema, and authentication parameters. After I enter the details, I'll run a quick test. Then I save this connection as well. Before loading the pipeline, I'll add a filter. Filters help us slice and refine the dataset before transformation or visualization. Here, I'll be using a single select list, selecting the data type, adding the values, and then save it. With both connection and filter ready, I'll move to the datasets page. This is where we prepare data from different sources. Now, we switch to the Prep tab where we can write the transformation logic. Let us select the connections we created from the left pane and choose the compute option for running the code. These managed connections also ensure that the developers don't need to know or handle any credentials, and they can simply invoke the connection as is by keeping the workflow both secure and seamless. With connections ready, I'll also add the filter from the filters drop-down on the right side. I'll select a value, copy the filter, and then paste it into the code. Let me quickly walk you through what our script does. First, we are using Groundzero's custom DuckDB session to quickly retrieve the results from the dataset. Groundzero also provides custom read and write methods for all supported connections, and will demonstrate them here using both S3 and Snowflake. The company profile details are stored in S3 while the shared value resides in Snowflake. After reading these data, we apply transformation logic. We merge the datasets, select the required outputs, rename the fields, typecast values, remove duplicates, and then assign the processed result to output DF. Let's go ahead and run the script. Within seconds, we get our processed data frame. Output DF also helps in visualizing the data in charts, and developers can easily identify the data types of the columns. Now, let us try changing the filter value and check the results again. Now that the data is ready, I'll move to the charts section. Here, we can build visualization from processed dataset. Let us create a candlestick chart. I'll choose our dataset and select all the required columns for the chart values in each dropdown. Now we have our candlestick chart ready. Let us customize it by adjusting the title padding, changing the font size, and clicking the horizontal and vertical axis titles. Let us also update the chart colors to a more traditional red and green. We can hover over each candle to view details, and the chart dynamically updates whenever we change a selected filter value. Finally, let's save the chart. This is Groundzero at its core, turning complexity into clarity. By combining data from siloed resources using secure connection with DuckDB, raw data becomes unified, ready for meaningful analysis. Groundzero doesn't just connect systems, it connects insights, helping your data tell a complete story. In the next video, we'll explore how to add these charts into dashboards and import them into workspaces. Thank you.